space NT is spanned by this vector 0 1 1. So we can say that dimension of NT is 1 since it is spanned by a single vector 0 1 1. Okay, now here we can make use of the rank nullity theorem. We know that dimension of NT plus dimension of RT is equal to dimension of U. Here we are having the domain space U is R3. So dimension NT is 1. So 1 plus dimension of RT is equal to dimension of U is 3. So we get dimension of RT is equal to 3 minus 1 is 2. Okay, since RT is a subspace of V, here we are having V is equal to R2, the codomain space. Okay, so it equals the dimension of the codomain space of T. Okay, so RT equals R2, the codomain space. Okay, now so we obtained the dimension of NT, that is small n of t, nullity of t, dimension of RT, and the null space RT, null space NT. Okay, we move to the next one. We come to the next theorem. Let T from U to V be a linear transformation and theta be the 0 vector of U, then T is 1 1 if and only if NT is equal to theta. So first, to prove this theorem, let T from U to V is a 1 1 function. Okay, 1 1 linear transformation. So our claim is NT is the singleton theta. Okay, so here NT is a subspace of U, so it contains the 0 vector of U, so theta belongs to NT. Therefore singleton theta is subset of NT. Say result number 1. Now we show that to derive the equality, we show that NT is subset of singleton theta by making use of T is a 1 1 function. Okay, so for since it is 1 1 function, so let a vector, say small u belongs to NT, random. Okay, since small u belongs to NT, the null space, then T of U is equal to theta dash, the 0 vector of V, range space V. Okay, codomain space V, implies here T of E is equal to theta dash. Also we have T of theta is equal to theta dash. It implies T of U is equal to theta dash is equal to T of theta, which gives U is equal to theta as T is 1 1. Okay, so implies U is equal to theta, okay, belongs to the singleton set theta, where U was the random vector of NT. So therefore any vector U of NT belongs to the singleton set theta. So therefore NT is a subset of singleton theta. Say result number 2. So from 1 and 2 equality follows. So NT is what? Singleton theta. Okay, so we have proven one part of the theorem, that is, if T is a 1 1 linear transformation, then its null space is just singleton theta. Now we come to the second part. Now assume that, converse part, assume nt is singleton theta. Here we claim that t is 1 1. Okay, so for let t of u1 is equal to t of u2 for some vectors u1 u2 belongs to capital U, implies we can write these as t of u1 minus t of u2 is equal to theta dash, the zero vector of the codomain space V. Implies since t is a linear transformation, so we can write these as t of u1 minus u2 is equal to theta dash. Okay, which gives this vector u1 u2 both are belonging to the domain space U, so therefore their difference u1 minus u2 is also in U. So we have one vector of u1 minus u2 of U, for which image under T becomes theta dash. So this vector u1 minus u2 belongs to nt by definition of the null space, okay, of T. So since we are having nt is equal to just singleton theta, so we get u1 minus u2 is equal to theta. Since the difference of two vectors u1 u2 is theta, so obviously they are equal, so u1 is equal to u2. So if t of u1 is equal to t of u2, then we get u1 is equal to u2, which proves that t is 1 1. So this way we proved that we have proven this theorem. Okay, we come to the next one. If t from U to V be a linear transformation and dimension U is equal to dimension V, then t is 1 1 if and only if t is onto. So here we have assume that t is 1 1. So if and only if, okay, by the previous theorem nt is equal to singleton theta, if and only if this happens, okay, implies a dimension of nt is equal to 0. So by rank nullity theorem, dimension of nt plus dimension of rt is equal to dimension of the domain space U. Since we are having this is 0, so we get if and only if dimension of rt equals dimension of U, and we have given that dimension U is equal to dimension of V, so we get dimension of rt is equal to dimension of V, and since rt is a subspace of V, okay, so we get this is possible if and only if rt is equal to V. So rt is V, then it is possible if and only if t is an onto function. T is an onto function. Okay, we move to the next one, next theorem. Let t from U to V be a 1 1 linear transformation, then the set of vectors t of u1, t of u2 up to t of un is linearly independent in V if the set u1 set of vectors u1, u2 up to un is a linearly independent set in U. So here we have given that the linear transformation t is 1 1. Okay, so we will make use of that in proving the theorem. So here our target is what? We want to show that we have to prove that the set t of u1, t of u2, t of un is linearly independent. So for this take a linear combination of these all vectors, say alpha 1 times t of u1 plus alpha 2 times t of u2 plus up to alpha n times t of un, that is equal to theta dash. because these all T of U1, T of U2 are T of UN are vectors of the codomain space V. So we have to take theta dash here. Okay, for some scalars alpha 1, alpha 2 up to alpha n. So since T is a linear transformation, so we can write these as T of alpha 1 U1 plus alpha 2 U2 plus up to alpha n UN, and that is equal to theta dash. Okay, and as since we know that by property of T of theta is equal to theta dash. Okay, so we have T of alpha 1 U1 plus alpha 2 U2 plus up to alpha n U is equal to theta dash. Also we are having T of theta is equal to theta dash, as since we have given that T is 1 1, T is 1 1, so these two vectors are same. So we get alpha 1 U1 plus alpha 2 U2 plus up to alpha n UN is equal to theta, as T is 1 1, T is 1 1. Okay, so these vectors U1, U2, U2 up to UN are vectors of U, and we have given that they are linearly independent. So this combination becomes theta, the zero vector of U. Hence the scalars alpha 1, alpha 2, alpha n, they are all 0 by definition of linearly independent set. Okay, so this way this proves that the set of vectors T of U1, T of U2, T of UN is also a linearly independent set if the vectors U1, U2 up to UN are linearly independent vectors of U. Here T is 1 1. So we have made use of that fact that T is 1 1. Okay, so this completes my lecture. Okay, thank you all of you, and enjoy the linear transforming. Thank you.
Sandhan, All Gujarat Integrated Classroom.
સેટેલાઇટના માધ્યમથી જોડતી કડી એટલે સંધાન.